Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram password. It is easy, just follow my step. Open your Play Store and update your Instagram app. My update is Instagram. Open your Instagram app. Open your profile icon. Open your. Now click on the three icon. Now click on account center. Now scroll up, then click on password and security. Now click on change your password. Change your Instagram password. Password. Type your new password. Now click on change password. If you helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.